Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if your iPhone phone app keeps showing a red notification badge icon even after checking the all missed call. Still the notification badge number is not disappearing from the phone app. This video will fix it completely. No reset, no data loss. Watch this video till and very carefully. Okay, this problem usually happen because one missed call is still marked and read, or a voicemail is pending, or iOS notification cache is stuck, or a carrier voicemail sync issue. Opening the phone app alone does not clear the badge number from the phone app. As you can see guys, the notification badge number is still showing. So when I go with the all missed call and receive call, still the notification badge is showing. Now let's fix it step by step. Now you need to first open the phone app, go to the recent call section, and now from here you need to tap on missed call, and here scroll down and go with the all missed call list. After doing this guys, close the phone app. Now let's see the problem is fixed or not. Still the problem is same. You can try the next method. Once again, open the phone app, go to missed call, tap on edit. Now tap on clear, select it, and simply you need to clear this. If you don't want to clear, go back, and here you can get the voice call voicemail. Just select it, and you need to open your all voice call one by one. Or if you want to delete it, just select it, you need to select all, and now then simply delete it. Now close this. So as you can see guys, finally our notification badge number was gone from my phone app. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to force close the phone app for 30 to 40 seconds. To do this guys, open the app switcher, swipe up on your phone app, and then from here you need to reopen it. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. You can try the next method. Open your phone settings. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out notification. Open it. In the notification, scroll down and find out your phone app. Phone app is here. Open it. Turn badge off. Just simply you need to turn it off, and then you need to restart your iPhone. If you want to turn on badges again, now go to your setting and turn it on. After restarting, it will definitely fix your problem. Still the problem is same. You can try the next method. Now you need to reset all settings. This is very safe guys. To reset your phone, go to your phone settings once again. In the phone settings, go to journal, scroll down. Here you can get the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, and here you need to select reset all setting. This does not delete app or data but fixes notification bugs. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem 100%. If the badges still shows, call your voicemail once from the phone app. Some carrier keep voicemail unread on the network side, that's why. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.